Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Highguard game not loading or stuck on loading screen or stuck on infinite loading screen problem on PC. So here are the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart Steam or restart PC. So simply close the Steam, click on this arrow icon, right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam. And then just restart your Steam, go to library, click on Highguard and then click on play button and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then simply restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to enable secure boot and TPM 2.0. Now this game require you to enable the secure boot and TPM 2.0, and this can directly be done through the BIOS settings on your PC. So here how to enable the secure boot and TPM 2.0. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update. Scroll down, click on Advanced Options. Scroll down, click on Recovery. And beside to Advanced Startup Options, click on Restart Now. Again, click on Restart Now to confirm. And after your PC restarts, then choose an option Troubleshoot. So click on Troubleshoot. And then go to the advanced option and hit on it, and then go to the UEFI firmware setting and hit on it, and then click on restart to restart, and once again your PC will restart. So just wait for it, and then you can access the BIOS settings on your PC. This will look different on different PC. This is my Dell laptop. So click on boot configuration and then scroll down, and here you will see the secure boot option. Enable secure boot. Make sure it is turned on. If it is turned off, then turn it on, and then scroll down and click on apply changes. Click OK to make changes, and then on the left click on security and make sure TPM. Now this will look different. In Dell laptop is showing PPI. In some cases it will show TPM 2.0. So make sure to turn it on. If it is off, then turn it on. And then scroll down and then click on apply changes. And then again click on OK to confirm. Now click on exit. Now your PC will restart again. And after enabling the secure boot and TPM 2.0, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 3 is to run the easy anti-cheat EOS setup file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Highguard and then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now open this easy anti-cheat folder, and here you can see this easy anti-cheat EOS setup file. Just double click it to run it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to install DirectX end user runtime web installer. So go to this Microsoft official website. Link is given in my video description. And once you're on this website, click on this download button and then click it to install it. Click yes to allow. Then click on I accept the agreement. Then click on next. Untick install the Bing bar option and then click on next. And then click on next. And again click on next, and just wait for it to get installed, and then click on finish, and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Highguard, click on properties, and in the launch options type -dx11 first, and then go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties and this time type -dx12, and then again launch the game and check. If still not working, then again go to the properties, remove the launch options, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 6 is to run the game from game installation folder, or try running the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Highguard, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now click on this start protected game exe file and try to launch the game and check if that works or not. You can also try this Highguard client by double clicking it and try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then open the Highguard folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and then double click the Highguard client Win64 shipping exe file and try to launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then right click on it and then select properties. Go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check if the problem is solved or not. If not, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If still not working, select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes, hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. Open C drive. Open program files x86. Open Steam apps. Open common folder, open Highguard folder, select this start protected game exe file, click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, select Highguard client exe file and click open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, open Highguard folder, binaries folders, Win64 folder, select Highguard client, Win64 shipping exe file and then click open. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86, Steam apps, common, Highguard, select start protected game exe file, click open and then click on add. Now in my case it is already added. Again click on browse, select Highguard client exe file, click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, open Highguard folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select Highguard client Win64 shipping exe file and then click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 8 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Click on add desktop app. Now go to the game installation folder, open C drive, open program files x86, open Steam apps, open common folder, open Highguard folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, select Highguard client Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it, here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference select high performance, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to perform clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. So what you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver and then reinstall it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I am showing the NVIDIA graphic card driver example. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, scroll down, enter your graphic card driver version over here, then select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue button, then select custom advanced option and then hit on next, then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Highguard, select properties, go to installed files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 11 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is given in my video description. And once you're on this website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version, and if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your issue is solved or not. Next solution is to disable overlay. So disable game overlay in Steam. So go to Steam, right click on Highguard, select properties, and then enable the Steam overlay while in game, and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel, and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay. And then you can launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to delete Highguard saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view. So check mark hidden items, and then open app data folder, open local folder, and here look for the Highguard folder. Right click on it, first copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder, and then right click on it and then select delete to delete it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 14 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, disconnect multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 15 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then last solution is to reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Highguard game from your PC and then just restart your PC and then reinstall the Highguard game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can try to launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Highguard game not loading, stuck on loading screen problem, or stuck on infinite loading screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.